Hi there, my name is Makeena, and today I am going to be teaching you how to solve for an unknown in an algebraic equation. So, our equation for today is 4x plus 7 equals 35. Now, it can sometimes be a little confusing because we now have a letter in a math problem, which can sometimes get a little complicated, but this one won't be too hard. So, when we're solving for an unknown, we want to do the same thing to both sides of the equation because that way it cancels out. So our first step in this problem is to do the opposite of adding 7, which is subtracting 7 from both sides of the equation. So when we add 7 and minus 7, on this side, we now get 0. When we subtract 7 from 35 on this side of the equation, we get 28. Now, what are we left with? What is our new equation? 4x equals 28. We don't need the plus 0. So, 4x equals 28. 4x is the same as 4 multiplied by x. So what's the opposite of multiplication? Division. So what do we need to do to separate the 4 from the x? Divide by 4. So if we divide by 4 on this side of the equation, what do we also need to do on the other side? The same thing. Divide by 4. So when we divide this side, these cancel out, and we get 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 1x is the same as just x. And 28 divided by 4 equals 7. So when we solve all of that, we get x equals 7. So now, if we were to go back to the top and plug in 7 here, we would have 4 times, because 4x is the same as 4 times x. 4x, 4 times 7 is 28, right? 28 plus 7 is 35. And so that is how you solve for an unknown variable in an algebraic equation.